G'day, it's Phil here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've just got a little bit of mail to open, just a little bit of coin collecting paraphernalia that I wanted to unbox. I think some people have seen some of this on another channel in Australia, Tassie Coin Hunter, but I've got this box from the Renniks group, which you may know from their coin and banknote book series. I've got a little bit of collecting storage options. So let's get into the box and see what we've got. Okay, box is huge and my desk is not that big. So we'll start here from the bottom, and I've got some album refill pages. So we have the 2x2 holders. Obviously I've got some 4-ring binders that will hold those, and that holds my my flips, my 2x2 flips. I've got some perfect fit Electrum or Lighthouse coin capsules. Got a few $5 coloured Euro coins from Germany, so I'm going to put them in there. I don't want to have them out loose. And I just picked up some gloves. I wanted to get some black cotton gloves so I can handle some coins. Got some white ones, but I saw the black ones and I thought I'm going to get some of those. So I picked up some of those. And then what else have I got here? Well, a couple of other things. Oh, I've got a diary, and they've given me, and this is a bonus. I didn't order this. It's just a diary for 2024, which is great. Thank you very much, Renniks and Lighthouse or Electrum. But what I did get, and one of the things that I had been looking forward to for a little bit, is the Premier Australian $2 coin album. As I say, you may have seen this around. I've got a couple of extra pages that go with that. So let's move this out of the way. So I've got the Renniks Premier Australia $2 coin album, which is a folder in a slipcase. So let's get that open. So the $2 coin album comes in a very nice leather-bound edition. Australia $2 coin album, the Renniks there on the bottom. Comes in a slipcase, which is nice and sturdy. It's a cardboard vinyl leather look. Hopefully it will give some support so it doesn't get crushed either up or down and sideways. We've got the $2 album here, Australia's $2 coin. We have the pages. So these are generic pages, unnumbered, not with information about the coins, which is what I really liked about them. So the book itself, this 4-ring binder, comes with 4 pages there, and it holds 6. So I got the fill up of the extra pages. As you can see, 4 across the top, 5 down there, 20 coins per page. And so 6 pages, 120 coins, which should be enough for the full coloured and commemorative $2 set. I'm not going to put the this one or these in there at the moment. I'll quickly have a look at how they work. So these are card, thick card, hopefully as thick as a coin is. And then they have these sliding mylar or plastic folder things, and there's one at the front, and there is also one at the back. So there's 2 of those cards, one at the front of the coin, one at the back of the coin. And so what you can do is you can slide it out, put your coins in, and then slide that back over the front. It has front and back, so you don't get any finger marks on either side, but you can still view both sides. So that's the premise: sliding the front one out or the back one out, putting your coins in. What my reason for buying one of these is because it's a very nice coin. They're very similar to the Dansko coin albums that America brought out. Australia used to have the Dansko coin albums for their pre-decimal coins, but you can't really get them anymore. They don't make it for decimal currencies that I know of. I've tried to get the Dansko albums for newer coins, but I just can't find them. and the company itself doesn't necessarily make it. What I wanted to do was put my $2 coin collection album that I collected from my very first book. This is my very first book, which, if you remember when I finished that off, which is, it's 60 hunts ago now, which is so pretty much a year. It took me 100 hunts to finish this book off, and this was just all of the coloured and commemorative coins, as well as the rest of the full year run at the back. This is a VST album, and I'll put the coins into these capsules because I didn't want the VST plastic to tone them over time, because I was thinking that it's going to be there for a long time. It's been a year now. It's about time I have some other storage solution for these. So I'm going to put my first book into this collection folder. So I'm not going to do that on camera. What I might do is go away, spend a bit of time, and then come back and show you what it looks like. And that'll pretty much be it. And then we'll have my Australian $2 coin collection in the new Renniks Premium $2 coin album. Back in a sec. Well, there you go. Got my $2 coin capsules all out. All of my coins that I collected for the $2 album the first time round, taking it out of there. And I've got the Renniks coin album here, completed with that. I've got a couple of gaps because I have yet to decide whether or not I'm going to put in an Aboriginal elder, the 2011. I did collect them. They probably going to go in. So there is all of my coins that I collected for that. There's what is it? Yep, 3 pages there pretty much up until that bottom one. I've still got a few pages at the back left to go. I can fill it in with whatever I feel like realistically, but the coins sit in this album in a really nice fashion. You can see the obverses of the coins there are the ones that are collected, and very happy with that. Obviously the plastic sleeves that goes over the top, they can come out in and out, and because they can come in and out, there's a little bit of a flap there as the where the plastic sort of comes in and out. So you have to be relatively careful flipping the pages over so you don't pull on them all the time. But I really enjoy this folder. It just everything's so flat and so nice. Everything looks spectacular in my opinion. So I'm very happy with that little purchase, that little collection folder. As I say, I've got numerous pages at the back that I could fill in. I can fill in a whole date run if I really want to, or do something like that. But that's it for showing you my bit of mail that I got this time round. The $2 album, very happy with it. Now I've got my very first book in a place where I'm happy that they're not going to tone too much over time, and in a binder cover that's going to keep me very happy to be able to put it somewhere and have it safe. But thank you very much for watching. If you like what I do, please think about subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment down below. What sort of storage solutions do you have? What do you think of this Renniks book? I'm very happy with it, but we'll see how it goes. Otherwise, as you know, I'll be back for more noodling in a few days, so I'll see you then. Bye.